One of the easiest and oldest techniques for persistence is a startup folder as well as registry run keys. These two techniques have been used by many threat actors, threat groups, operating in the wild. But I would say that almost every penetration tester and red teamer use these techniques during their operations. The reason is that these techniques are so popular is that you don't have to be running as local admin, so you can do this in medium integrity level, and both techniques require like really simple operation, meaning for the registry key, registry hive, you just change a specific registry key, and for the startup folder, you either upload your implant binary you want to run after a reboot or relogon of the user to a specific folder, or you implant LNK file or link file to your binary. So let's do that. So let's go to, first let's focus on startup folder. So we go to user specific folder, which is C users, the username, and then we go to app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, startup menu, programs, and startup. So it's a long path. Now, if we open our implant is already in place, right? So we're gonna use this simple implant. So to set this persistence, we have to only copy our implant to the folder, or you can place, if you have, you can place a link file to your binary in the startup folder instead of copying the whole binary. But it's up to you. We are just going to use that, just copying the whole binary. So, and that's it. It's like we've copied the binary and now the persistence is ready. So to verify if it works, we have to either reboot the system or just relog in, and we will do this in a minute. But let's go to registry, reg edit, and take a look at the second technique, which is registry run keys. So we go to here, and currently it's empty, but we will set up the new persistence there. There is also run once sub key, which basically it does what it means, which is in a next reboot or a next relogin, it will run the specific program only once. Okay. So let's set up registry persistence. So we copy, and now it's here. To give you the full picture, there is also another key, which is also called a registry run key, which is machine specific. But to set this, these keys, you have to be running in a high integrity level. But for our exercise, we'll just stick with the current user registry hive. So now let's relog on and see if two notepad programs will pop up. So we go to sign out. And relog in again. So let's wait for a bit. So we have one notepad popped up and the second one is here. So let's try to figure out which are which. So this implant is running from command line, and current directory is here. So let's see the second one. So this one, actually, we know that this one was launched from the startup folder, and this one was launched from registry. So this is how, yeah, it's really super easy to set this kind of persistence. Before we jump into the next topic, let's remove this persistence to both. So we get access is denied, which is obvious because our implants are still running. So let's remove it, and also remove the registry key, and we can actually verify if it's gone or not. Yeah, so now we are clean and we can go to the next technique.